Tired of outdated dashboards? Let's unlock the power of the latest Looker Studio updates to transform your data into actionable insights. First, keep an eye out for the What's New icon. Google frequently highlights major updates here, making it your go-to spot for discovering the newest features. Click on this to access a summary of recent improvements directly within Looker Studio. Next, dive into Enhanced Chart Customization. Looker Studio consistently adds more granular control over your visualizations. Explore options for custom color palettes, advanced formatting for axes and labels, and improved data point styling to create truly bespoke reports. Data connectivity is always expanding. Check for the addition of new data source connectors. These integrations allow you to seamlessly blend data from various platforms, giving you a more holistic view of your business. Collaboration gets easier with each update. Explore the latest improvements to sharing permissions and collaborative editing. These features streamline teamwork and ensure everyone is on the same page. Finally, experience the benefits of performance enhancements. Google constantly optimizes Looker Studio for speed and efficiency. Expect faster loading times, smoother interactions, and a more responsive overall experience.